Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, the Abby-licious. And today's look was inspired by my culture. So as you guys know, or if you haven't known, I am Jamaican. And lately I had this look in my mind for a while now, and I just haven't got around to doing a video about this. So this look is definitely, it's a Reggea inspired look. So I hope you guys like this. It's pretty simple, easy, it's beginners friendly. You shouldn't have any issues trying to create this look. You definitely need glitter. So my hyper color palette by Suva Beauty. If you guys haven't seen my first video on this that has over 1,000 views right now on my channel, make sure to go check that out if you haven't seen it yet. So I decided to reuse this palette because it has all the color that I needed, and these colors pop. If you don't know already, now you know. I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek of this palette. So I use Sweet and Sour, Euphoria, and Lollipop. So the green, the yellow, the red to create this look. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Also remember to give me a thumbs up. Please comment below if you like this look, or if you have decided to create this look. Leave your Instagram and I will definitely check you out. And without further ado, let's get in this video. Well, there you guys have it. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. If you want to see more videos like this, please let me know in the comments below. Also remember to give me a thumbs up. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Also, before I leave, remember all the makeup details will be in the description box below, everything that I've used on my face today. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.